In a move that has sent shockwaves through the aviation industry, Boeing CEO Dave Calhoun recently unveiled plans for a groundbreaking new aircraft, a twin-engine Boeing 747. This bold announcement comes at a time when the aviation industry is facing unprecedented challenges with the need for more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly aircraft at the forefront of innovation. With this revelation, Boeing aims to reshape the aviation landscape and reaffirm its position as a leader in the industry. In this video, we will delve into the details of this new twin-engine Boeing 747, explore its potential impact on the market, and compare it to other plane makers and models. The Boeing 747, often referred to as the Queen of the Skies, has been a symbol of long-haul air travel since its introduction in the late 1960s. Over the decades, it has undergone several iterations and improvements, but one thing remained constant: its four-engine configuration. However, in a move aimed at addressing the growing concerns of fuel efficiency, emissions, and operating costs, Boeing's decision to introduce a twin-engine version of the iconic 747 has captured the attention of aviation enthusiasts and experts alike. This new twin-engine Boeing 747 is expected to carry the legacy of its predecessors while incorporating cutting-edge technology and design elements to meet the demands of the modern aviation era. By reducing the number of engines from 4 to 2, Boeing hopes to significantly improve the aircraft's fuel efficiency, reduce emissions, and lower operating costs, factors that have become increasingly critical in an industry grappling with sustainability challenges. Boeing's announcement of the twin-engine Boeing 747 has ignited a discussion about how it will stack up against its competitors in the aviation market. While Boeing is a prominent player, it faces fierce competition from other major plane makers such as Airbus, Lockheed Martin, and Embraer. Airbus, Boeing's European counterpart, has been a strong contender in the commercial aviation sector for years. Their A380, known as the Super Jumbo, has been a direct competitor to the Boeing 747 in the long-haul market. The A380 is known for its spaciousness, luxurious amenities, and capacity to carry hundreds of passengers. However, it is a four-engine aircraft, which might face challenges in terms of fuel efficiency compared to Boeing's twin-engine 747. Lockheed Martin, primarily known for its military aircraft, also competes in the commercial aviation sector through its subsidiary, Lockheed Martin Commercial Aero. They produce the iconic Lockheed L1011 TriStar, a wide-body three-engine airliner. The TriStar has been praised for its reliability and advanced avionics, but it's a smaller aircraft compared to the Boeing 747 and Airbus A380. Lockheed Martin's entry into the twin-engine jumbo jet market, if they decide to do so, could provide interesting competition for Boeing. Embraer, a Brazilian aircraft manufacturer, specializes in regional jets and turboprops. While they have not been direct competitors in the long-haul market, Embraer's recent collaboration with Boeing to create the E2 series of regional jets has strengthened Boeing's position in the regional jet segment. This partnership showcases the importance of innovation and collaboration in the aviation industry, which Boeing seems keen to continue with the twin-engine Boeing 747. The decision to develop a twin-engine Boeing 747 underscores the industry's growing concern for environmental sustainability. With the aviation sector being a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, there is an urgent need for more fuel-efficient and eco-friendly aircraft. Twin-engine aircraft generally have several advantages over their four-engine counterparts, such as reduced fuel consumption, lower maintenance costs, and improved overall efficiency. These benefits are not only financially appealing for airlines, but also crucial in meeting stringent emission reduction targets set by governments and international organizations. The environmental aspect is particularly crucial for the aviation industry. Aircraft emissions, especially during long-haul flights, contribute to carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. The aviation industry is actively working to reduce its carbon footprint, and the introduction of twin-engine long-haul aircraft is a significant step toward achieving that goal. Boeing's twin-engine 747 aims to set a new standard for fuel efficiency and emissions reduction in long-haul travel. By leveraging the latest advancements in engine technology and aerodynamics, Boeing plans to make this aircraft a game-changer for environmentally conscious travelers and airlines alike. Industry experts anticipate a range of innovations that will make this aircraft stand out. Boeing has a history of pioneering advancements in aerospace technology, and the twin-engine 747 is expected to continue this tradition. One key area of innovation will undoubtedly be the engines themselves. Boeing will likely partner with a leading engine manufacturer to develop power plants that are not only fuel efficient, but also capable of delivering exceptional performance. Expectations are high for advanced materials, efficient combustion processes, and improved aerodynamics that will contribute to reduced fuel consumption and emissions. In terms of materials and construction, construction, Boeing may adopt cutting-edge composites and alloys to reduce the aircraft's weight while maintaining structural integrity. Lightweight materials play a vital role in enhancing fuel efficiency and reducing operating costs. Aerodynamic improvements are also expected to play a significant role in the design of the twin-engine Boeing 747. Streamlined wings, winglets, and other features will contribute to reduced drag and enhanced fuel efficiency during flight. Additionally, advanced avionics and onboard systems will offer improved navigation, communication, and passenger experience. The introduction of the twin-engine Boeing 747 will have a profound impact on airlines and passengers alike. Airlines will benefit from reduced operating costs, improved fuel efficiency, and the ability to offer more environmentally friendly long-haul travel options. This, in turn, may lead to competitive pricing and enhanced profitability for carriers. Passengers can look forward to a more comfortable and eco-conscious flying experience. With the twin-engine 747's potential to reduce emissions and noise levels, travelers can enjoy a quieter and less environmentally taxing journey. Additionally, the spaciousness and amenities traditionally associated with the Boeing 747 are expected to be retained, offering a luxurious and enjoyable long-haul travel experience. The introduction of the twin-engine Boeing 747 is likely to bring about a significant shift in the long-haul aircraft market. While the Boeing 747 has faced tough competition from the Airbus A380, which was discontinued in 2021 due to weak demand, the new twin-engine 747 of May find itself in a unique position. With the potential for greater fuel efficiency, lower operating costs, and reduced environmental impact, airlines may be more inclined to choose the twin-engine 747 over its four-engine competitors. The cost savings associated with operating fewer engines and reduced fuel consumption could make it an attractive option for airlines seeking to maximize profitability while meeting sustainability goals. However, the success of the twin-engine 747 will also depend on factors such as market demand, regulatory approvals, and the competitive landscape. Airlines will carefully evaluate the economic and environmental benefits of this new aircraft before making fleet decisions. While the twin-engine Boeing 747 holds great promise, it will not be without its challenges. One significant hurdle will be obtaining regulatory approval from aviation authorities worldwide. Safety and performance certifications are critical for any new aircraft, and Boeing will need to demonstrate the twin-engine 747's compliance with stringent international standards. Infrastructure is another important consideration. Airports will need to make modifications to accommodate the new aircraft, including upgrades to runways, taxiways, and boarding gates. These changes require time and investment, and airlines will need to assess the feasibility of operating the twin-engine 747 on their intended routes. Additionally, the aviation industry's recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic will play a crucial role in the adoption of new aircraft. Airlines are still grappling with the economic fallout from the pandemic, and their willingness to invest in new fleets will depend on passenger demand and their financial stability. Boeing's announcement of the twin-engine Boeing 747 represents a bold step toward a more sustainable and efficient future for long-haul aviation. As the industry grapples with environmental concerns, rising fuel costs, and the need for innovation, this new aircraft promises to address these challenges head-on. The twin-engine 747 is poised to compete with other major plane makers and models, offering a compelling combination of fuel efficiency, environmental responsibility, and passenger comfort. While challenges lie ahead in terms of regulatory approval and infrastructure readiness, the aviation industry's commitment to change and progress is evident in Boeing's visionary approach. Thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure the notification bell is turned on so you don't miss a video.